Hi everyone, my name is Ivan Mushketyk and welcome to my course Developing Applications on Ethereum Blockchain. I am a software engineer at Consensus, a blockchain software technology company. For the last several years, many different companies were developing platforms for decentralized applications that allow to reduce cost, increase transparency, and security. Ethereum is a versatile platform that enables building decentralized applications for both private and public projects. In this course, we are going to learn how to develop applications for an Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum, as other blockchain projects, has a steep learning curve, but this course starts from the very foundations of this technology and progresses to more and more complex features and covers the related technologies as well. Some of the major topics that we will cover include foundations of the blockchain and Ethereum technologies, Solidity programming language, developing smart contracts with Solidity, Truffle build tool, and how to build web applications for Ethereum. By the end of this course, you will know how to develop non-trivial applications for Ethereum and will be able to implement full-stack applications for this platform. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with at least one object-oriented programming language and have at least basic knowledge of JavaScript. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn how to write decentralized applications for Ethereum with the Developing Applications on Ethereum Blockchain course at Pluralsight.